Hello. I am alive. I survived. I still have a little bit of lingering effects, like rubbery hands and legs. Especially my knees are very rubbery, like like Shaggy from the Scooby Doo. But other than that, it was great. I had a great time. Very introspective. When the Temazcal was great. A lot of chanting. We were chanting for like an hour and a half. We had to prepare everything. I'll go into detail maybe one day. Um, it's something you have to experience for yourself. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you what to look for in a Temazcal and what not to get sold on. Okay? All right. And with the mushrooms experience, so I didn't want to do it by myself. I don't know what the thing is, and so I I did it with a shaman with the same place, and so I mean when we did it, you're supposed to, because it wasn't the tea, it was eating. We ate them. It tastes horrible. It's like citric, like orange. Like oranges with vinegar together with grimy, because you can wash them, so you're eating dirt. You just put a little bit of honey and eat them. So when it happened, you have to wait. When you eat them, the digestion takes longer. And while we were waiting, so I'm waiting for the polka dot zebra to come out, and the golden unicorn to just come and surprise me. There's nothing like that, you guys. Nothing like that. Everybody says, all of them says, the shaman says, if you have something dark, it's gonna come out. I am definitely not dark because I was in my pink glittery bubble. It was great. And like an hour, when we're starting to like see, feel some effects, the rain came down with a hammer. I called it the submission rain. This rain, it was super intense, like nothing I've experienced before. And it was the rain that is like sit down and shut up, sit down and shut up. We could not do anything else. We couldn't even speak because it was so loud in the roof, so we couldn't even hear each other. So it was like, oh my god, okay, so it's a submission, complete, just submit to it like for 2.5 hours. And when it finally came down, stopped, the sun came out. And I mean, I had 5 layers on me, and I started just pulling everything out, and then I'm there just like a salamander in a rock. It's just great. And so now we came to the Elves Tavern, la Taberna de los, right here. Because we couldn't get into yesterday. We went to another great restaurant. All the restaurants here are good. They all have great reviews. So it's Italian food, and it's still going. Like, I'm still rubbery. You're not supposed to mix with alcohol. So the entire day I've been drinking like just water and cocoa water, and so I just have some ginger beer and the salad because I don't want to mess it up. You don't want to mess this up. Do not eat a steak. Just and I've been fasting since yesterday, so I had no food until now because I figured, I had to eat. But I just had a salad, and I just hope this lasts forever. It was a great experience. Don't be afraid. There's nothing like you think. And this is Tania from San Jose del Pacífico. Ciao.